Alrighty, Wesley, here's your 347 small block board, your straight twins combination. It's got a set of our ass cassette, test grind hydraulic door. I think we kind of changed this so you had a little bit more vacuum. Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor. Also front support pan. It's got Eagle cranker rods, custom DSS pistons. Going to make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 410 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 426, peak horsepower 427, so everything's good. Pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple things. See if your engine finds this thing looks like credit card, USB card. Full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag, it'll have your engine number for our specs. And it's up from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, got a QR code, that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.